This is Marty the robot. Marty won't vacuum your carpet, mow your lawn or do your dishes, but is very good at engaging your students.
And they got such joy out of getting their robot working.
Yeah, it was really easy. I thought it was going to be like something wild. You can make Marty do all kinds of stuff. Yeah, it's just really fun.
Designed to look fun and be engaging, Marty is a real robot, fully programmable and jam-packed with sensors. You can program Marty with Scratch or real-world languages like Python.
I think it's just so important that young people are learning through experiences like this. You could sense that they were having fun, you know, and they were experiencing something. Really, they were so engaged and they took such ownership over their Marty.
I just love coding and robotics. I want to develop my skills and be able to maybe one day do these things on my own.
Build your own and learn about mechanics, motors and teamwork.
I think we work well with Marty because we can do a lot of different things at the same time. We can help each other out if we have problems.
Or get your Martys fully assembled and ready to program out of the box. Our class packs come with their own Wi-Fi setup, so you don't need to worry about school Wi-Fi. You'll also get video support from the robotical team and some lesson plans and activities to get you started. You can use ours or make your own, and then please do share them.
I think for the children, having Marty in front of them and being able to code on the computer and then actually see Marty moving is fantastic. It's not just something moving on the computer. They have Marty there in front of them.
Yeah, it's very fun because you get to see a little robot dance basically. You can code things really easily and even just bits of plastic and do really cool stuff.
Imagine learning while making a robot dance, shake hands, play football or race round an obstacle course. Marty isn't your average learning tool. Marty is an expandable robot. You can add a computer like the Raspberry Pi and a camera. You can 3D print your own parts, add extra sensors and lights. There are so many ways to build on your Marty experience. But we all start learning somewhere, and with Marty, it starts with one click.
It's loads and loads of fun, and even if later on you can buy Marty, I'm going to go and get one and just have fun at home with him.